जैसा कि आप लोगों को पिछली वीडियो में मैंने रिफ्लेक्शन के कंप्लीट पार्ट करा दिया था और हम लोगों ने यूजेस ऑफ कॉनकेव मिरर एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर अच्छे से समझ लिए थे। उसके अलावा हम लोगों ने पिछली वीडियो में मिरर फॉर्मूला की फॉर्मुलेशंस को भी अच्छे से समझा था और उसके क्या डिनोटेशंस हैं, साइन कन्वेंशंस हैं, ये सब चीजें हमने पिछली वीडियो में अच्छे से सीख लिया था। तो आज हम लोग उसी पर ही कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स करना चाहेंगे। उन न्यूमेरिकल्स की हेल्प से आप लोगों का रिफ्लेक्शन का पार्ट बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है। मैं उम्मीद करूंगा ये न्यूमेरिकल्स आपको आपके कंसेप्ट को क्लियर करने में बहुत हेल्प करेंगे। आप लोगों को ये न्यूमेरिकल करने से पहले मैं एक फॉर्मूला बता देता हूं जो हम लोगों ने कल पढ़ा था। 1/f is equals to 1/u plus 1/v. This is your mirror formula, and for magnification you have the formula that is hi over ho, where hi is the height of image and ho is the height of object. This is also equals to minus v over u, where v is the distance of image and u is the distance of object. All these distances are measured from the pole. You have to remember this thing. So we are going to start from our first numerical, that is an object is placed 90 cm away from a concave mirror of focal length 30 cm. In the question there is a given that you have an object which is placed 90 cm away from the concave mirror and whose focal length is 30 cm. So it is given u is equals to what? 90 centimeter. As you all know that in case of the concave mirror, the value of u is always negative and that of focal length is also negative. And what he is going to ask is find the position and nature of the image formed. Find the position and nature. So position means image, that is v you have to find, and else what you have to find is nature. If you find the position of the image, then you will be able to find that what? You will be able to find the nature of the image formed over there. So first of all, one thing you have to remember, that is always the thing which you have to calculate in the numerical, don't consider its sign by yourself. Do not consider the sign of that value which you have to find by yourself. It is a personal advice to all of you that you do not have to consider the value, or you can say you do not have the value, you do not have the authority to put the sign of v. So you know that the value of 1 over formula is, that is 1 over v. By putting, or by we can say by putting the value, that is minus 1 over 30 is equals to 1 over u, that is minus 1 over 90 plus 1 over v. You have to find the value of v, that is minus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 90. If you take the LCM over there, that is 90 minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 over 90. If you solve it, the value of v is minus 45 centimeter. That minus 45 centimeter shows you what? That minus 45 centimeter shows you that the image is also in front of a mirror. And if the image is in front of the mirror, then this will only possible in the case of real and inverted. So the nature of image is real and inverted. And the position is v is equals to minus 45 centimeter. I think the numerical is clear to you. We will move to the second numerical, that is an object of 1.5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror which produces its real image 3 centimeter high. In question, they have given to you is that an object of 1.5 centimeter, the height of an object is given over there. That is 1.5 centimeter. And is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror. U is what? 15 centimeter negative. From a concave mirror which produces its real image 3 centimeter high. That is hi is 3 centimeter. In the case that is its 3 centimeter is, so you have to take it negative because it's a concave mirror and real. Find the position of the image and the focal length of the mirror. So you have to find the v and also you have to find the f. already I have told you the things which you have to calculate, do not have any authority to put the sign over there. So first of all, you have to find the value of V. So you can use this formula over there. That is, Hi over Ho will be equals to minus V over U. Hi will be equals to minus 3 over Ho is 1.5, and minus, as you do not know about V, so you cannot put the sign of V over there. But what is U is? U is minus 15 centimeter in this numerical. So by putting these values, you will find that V is equals to minus 30 centimeter. And if you calculate the value of V, that is minus 30 centimeter, then it is really easy to find the value of F by putting in this formula. 1 over F is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V, which is given as 1 over F is equals to minus 1 over U 15 minus 1 over 30. That is, the LCM is equals to 30, and you got minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 over 30, and if you solve it, you will definitely find it minus 1 over 10, and that is 10 centimeter. I think it's really easy to calculate. Now we will move to the numerical number third. Numerical number third. What says in numerical number third is, a concave mirror has a radius of curvature. There is a given a concave mirror having a radius of curvature. What is it? The radius of curvature is 10 centimeter. In question number third, they have given that radius of curvature is 10 centimeter, which means the focal length is 5 centimeter, and the type of a mirror is concave mirror. As you all know, the mirror is concave mirror, so focal length is negative. Find the position and size of the object. Place 20 centimeter in front of the mirror. So U is given to you, that is 20 centimeter of negative, and what they ask you, find the position and size of that object placed 20 centimeter in front of a mirror. What this is you have to find the position where the image is formed in this question. So 1 over F is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So what is the value of F is minus F, that is minus 1 over 20 plus 1 over V. So you have to find, first of all, you have to find the V, that is 1 over V will be equals to minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 20. So what it says is 20 is LCM, minus 4 plus 1, that will be equals to minus 3 over 20, which will leads you to minus 20 over 3 for the value of V. So V is equals to minus 6 whole 2 over 3, or you can put it as minus 6.67 centimeter. After solving the value of V, and you can also, it's very easy for you to calculate. What you have to calculate is the position you have calculated, and you have to find the size of an object. What you have to find as the size of an object. So how you can find the size of an object? It's your homework to do this question, and do let me know in comment box. Let us now do what? Let us now do the numerical number 4. A concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter is placed at a distance of 60 centimeter from a wall. So there is a wall, and concave mirror is placed at a distance of 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. How far from the wall an object be placed so as to obtain its images on the wall? So what you have to obtain is its images. So suppose in this case you have to find the value of V, and the F is given as 20 centimeter, and the concave mirror is there, so you have to put the value of F as negative, and one more thing they have given to you, U is that is minus 60 centimeter. Do remember, the language of question might be confusing to you, but the thing is that you have to focus what you have to find. How far from the wall an object will place so as to obtain its images. What they are asking is, they have to find the image on the wall. So let's say this is the wall, and you have to make the image over there. So if you have to make an image at that place, so the distance from the mirror is always a distance of the image, that is V. So that's how you can easily consider that what you have to find. Suppose this is the mirror, and this is your wall. This is your wall, and you have to obtain the image on this wall. So this is what is the distance? It is the distance of image, and what we call this distance is, we call this distance as V. So we are going to calculate this V as a distance, and in this case what we are going to do is, we have given F and U, we have to calculate V. So 1 over V is equals to 1 over F minus 1 over U, which will be equals to minus 1 over 20 and plus 1 over 60. The LCM was 60 and minus 3 plus 1, that will be equals to minus 2 over 60, which is given as minus 1 over 30, and it will easily lead you to the value of V, which is equals to minus 30 centimeter. I think it's really easy for you guys to calculate this value, and we are moving to our last numerical of this session, which is numerical number 5. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Do remember, so object is placed at a 10 centimeter. So the value of U is minus 10 centimeter. Always remember, the object will place in front of the mirror, due to which the value of U will always remain negative. From a convex mirror, of focal length 20 centimeter. The focal length of convex mirror is taken as positive. Now find the position and nature of image. So you have to find the position and nature of image. So position means you have to find the value of V, and nature, by calculating the value of V, you can easily calculate the nature. So 1 over F is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V is the formula, as you all know. So 1 over F is 1 over 20, that will gives you minus 1 over 10 plus 1 over V. So by taking this in the opposite side, the 1 over 20 plus 1 over 10 will gives you 1 over V, and with this will also implies as 20 is the LCM, that is 1 plus 2, which will gives you 3 over 20, and if you calculate this, this is 20 over 3, that is 6 whole 2 over 3, or you can write it as 6.67 centimeter. So the value of V is 6.67 centimeter, and it is always as in positive sign. So which implies that the nature of an object is virtual and erect. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. I think you liked the video, and do comment also, subscribe my channel, and have any problem you can ask me. Do watch my previous videos in the link below over there. Thank you.